yes, the bottom is in, and yes, we will bounce from here. And I will show you exactly where I have found proof that this will be now the case here. So, and obviously you're also wondering what kind of chart is this here. I will go here in detail why this chart is so important for the bounce that we will expect here in the next coming days. So definitely stick around here. So now let's get here directly into the chart. But first of all, I want to go here more into the short term to explain you here what actually happened in the last couple of hours here on the 4-hourly chart. So we can clearly see that after Bitcoin dropped here quite severely under our support that we had here and broke, and basically came back into resistance, that the Bitcoin price has now actually confirmed this as resistance as we tried to come up here once again and got not even close to it and got rejected from there and moving now to the downside. So, but what does it mean for Bitcoin for the immediate short term? So let me show you. Here on the 1-hourly chart, we can see that Bitcoin had formed also this bigger M pattern that is playing out right now. So that is the reason why we might actually head lower here. So because if we take here the measured move, so here that is the measured move, you can see that we could go down to $40,945 approximately, even though I don't believe that we're gonna reach that target, and I show you in a minute why that is. So first of all, let us look at this here. So we are forming here a potential symmetrical triangle. So, and this is a continuation pattern. So if we are coming out of a downside move, then this is a continuation pattern also to the downside, and 7 out of 10 times that this is breaking, it's breaking to the downside and not to the upside. Only 3 out of 10 times it's breaking to the upside. So if we treat this now then as a bear flag as an example, then you see we're getting close to the bearish target of the M pattern. So, but now let me show you why I believe that we will not reach this target and will reverse here in the immediate short term back to the upside. So, and for this, I go here to the BLX chart. So, and here on the BLX chart, so you can see that over time, Bitcoin has always gone into a parabolic curve here after we broke out of these triangles. So, and every time when the Bitcoin price fell off this parabolic curve, we went into a downtrend. So then we came back up again, new parabolic curve, dropped off the curve, and went again into a rally here. So, and here in this Gaussian channel that we are in here right now, the Bitcoin price did not drop out of it. So in the last 12 years, so we came here up and tested the top of it. We tested also the bottom of it multiple times, but we never dropped out of it. So now we are kind of in the middle of it. So, and that is obviously bullish in the immediate short term. So, but what I wanted to show you is that here, when MicroStrategy was buying, so, and that was here that case, so, and also Tesla, that Bitcoin shortly afterwards rallied. So, and what if I'm telling you that there was something happening in the last couple of hours that is signaling that we are close again to a bottom and that we might reverse from here. So now let me show it to you. So here you see a little bit closer when MicroStrategy and Tesla was buying close to the bottom. So you can see it here. So there we had a local bottom. So we had here a local bottom. And we had here a local bottom, and you can see every time afterwards, the price had a small rally to the upside, small rally to the upside, small rally to the upside. So now I believe that somewhere around here could be the next point where we are bottoming out and could see another rally to the upside. So, but what is this specific event that I believe could trigger this? Now let me show you. McDonald's and Walmart and basically all Shopify merchants accepting Bitcoin as a means of payment. So, and every time when we have huge announcements like this, that mainstream adoption is coming one step closer to the majority of people, then we have also a huge spike in the Bitcoin price and a massive rally ahead. So we had this in the past here all the time with MicroStrategy. When MicroStrategy announced that they were buying, we had massive rallies to the upside here, also here, and also here when Tesla said that they were buying. So we had massive rallies to the upside. So and now I believe that because of the time difference in the US, most people just waking up and don't understand yet what's happening. But once the news will hit everyone and understand what this means for Bitcoin, I believe a lot of people will start buying Bitcoin and will put buy pressure on Bitcoin, which will then lead into this new fueled upside rally. So, and for this obviously to come to be true, we have to break over our past resistance levels that we have, for example, here on the daily chart. So we should not forget we have here at $47,300. So that level to break. So, but I believe as long as the Bitcoin price can maintain to stay above $43,100, so and that is still the case now, as long as we stay above this, we will see a retest of the $47,333 level and also a potential break, because here on the stochastic RSI, we are in oversold conditions and flatlining with an indication that we might get here soon a buy signal, so which will obviously lead then to the called rally to the upside. So, but now let me show you something else that has historically proven that Bitcoin is rallying after this is happening. So, and this is here the percentage price oscillator. So that, and this is here this line that we see oscillating on the chart. So every time when this oscillator got a bounce from the red trend line, from the red bottom line, the Bitcoin price was reacting with a rally. Let me show it to you. So here, bounce, rally. Bounce, bottom, rally. Now we are again at the red line and potentially getting a bounce here. So that could mean that around here was the bottom and then we will see another rally to the upside. So prove me wrong. I believe this historical data is more than enough evidence. Also, the fact that now all Shopify merchants, McDonald's, Walmart, and a lot of other companies, over 440 merchants across the USA, 440,000 merchants will accept Bitcoin in the US. So, and this will spill over into other countries and will drive mainstream adoption and also the Bitcoin price in the immediate short term to the upside. And if you want to trade this, so I actually opened based on this already a long position that's right now a little bit here underwater, but I believe we will see here really, really soon a massive move here to the upside. So if you also want to trade this, you can go to a BYBIT or to Phemex. There you still get with my specific links here $4,620 in bonuses with my BYBIT link and $4,100 bonus with my Phemex link, guys. Definitely take advantage of that. Click these links right now. And if you don't know how to trade on a BYBIT, then you can also go right here, right now, and watch my BYBIT video where I explain you how to trade. That's it already for today's, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I will see you again tomorrow.